Good morning, Sampark. My name is Ronak Mantri. I am your Sampark buddy sitting in the heart of Nagpur's wholesale grocery market. And here we go with the presentation. Okay, so college में rock bands में था, singing करता था, guitarist था, and जैसे सभी सपने टूटते हैं, एक दिन ऐसे भी टूटना था. And कभी-कभी आप लोगों के बीच में गा लेता हूँ. Okay, I love to do yoga, meditation. I practice spiritual sciences, and I take a very scientific approach to spirituality. I have a 9-year-old daughter and a 4-year-old son, and this is my small family, my spouse Ruchika. Okay, this is my big family. Okay, ये 1-to-1 competition था संपर्क में for all of us. I don't think so many new members are there. So we had this competition. I'm pretty sure many of you are there in this slide. Okay, these are my business details. So my motto is your healthy kitchen is a satisfaction. I'm specialist in kitchen supply. So both commercial and non-commercial. We are into grocery and dry fruits, and also located in the market area. And here my address and my details. Okay, so we also do home delivery, and post COVID we have focused on growing a service aspect of our business. So on this, focusing on this, we started order on call services with instant pickup on shop, because grocery list को pack करने को लंबा time लगता है, and many people insisted on starting our WhatsApp service, a home delivery service which is in the form of our app, and order on call services. Okay, I think so ये slide range में नहीं है. Okay, so okay, fair enough. We serve since 1965. We've been serving all kirana stores in Nagpur. Your मोहल्ले का किराना दुकानदार, of course, he knows us. And we are you will not be मतलब आप जानते होंगे उन्हें. These are our clients. It's a major list of clients in Nagpur. Haldiram's Group, Naivedyam Group, Barbecue Restaurant, Gokul Vrindavan. Okay, Highway Glory is currently under renovation. Hotel Shravan, MHKS, Manabar. So you can get a kind of range in our B2B services looking at this client list. We serve caterers, banquets, restaurants, commercial canteens, messes, Jamaat Khanas, Langars, Mandals, NGOs in this segment. And this would be a B2C segment which would be focused on dry fruit lovers, you know, people who come up on the shop and want to have dry fruits and related spices, high quality spices. Actually, we are very famous for spices. Okay, unorganized market के अंदर में we serve people who come up with their list of acharis, bhatyaras जो घर में पेंडोल डाल के या कहीं पे अपना function करना चाहते हैं छोटा मोटा. So we serve that market. We serve Ganesh Mandals, Sansthas, events, religious events, mall food stalls, roadside vendors. We have a very, very huge market. Okay, so best reference to me, people who don't want to have a bad food experience, people who would like to have a great quality of food ingredients, because बोलते हैं कि खाना अगर अच्छा रहे तो 50% इवेंट वैसे ही सक्सेस हो जाता है, और अगर खाना खराब रहे तो आप कितना भी अच्छा कर लो, इवेंट के अंदर में एक कमी रह ही जाएगी. Seekers of super masalas and spices are definitely invited to my shop. House functions को किसी को kitchen use करना है तो dry fruit seekers. We've been serving Nagpur since 1955, and I've prepared a list of some examples of the type of customers which I get in the B2C segment. If your child is going out of country, as a mother, you don't want him to miss the foods of India. So you can come to our store. We have ready lists for people children who are going out of country, and you can get the spices for them. You can get the kitchen requirements for them, and many of the tour operators, अगर उनके पास एक foreign client आता है या foreign group आता है and if they demand कि हमको market area में जाके spices देने हैं, तो we find many of the tour operators bringing their tour groups to our store. Okay, house welcoming party. This is one time in your life when you cannot fail with your house kitchen. If you are moving into a new house, you need to have a good collection of dry fruits at your home. You need to have a good collection of kitchen supply at your home. And to welcome your guests, these kinds of people definitely do come to our store. Okay, haldi function, मेहंदी function, छोटे मोटे फंक्शंस लोग अपने घर में करना पसंद करते हैं, तो इस टाइप के बिजनेस हमको बहुत आते हैं. साक्षगन, लग्न सेरेमनी घर पे अगर करना चाहे तो यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम विद दैट. ओके, मंथली हाउस होल्ड ग्रॉसरी, स्पेशली फॉर संपर्क मेंबर्स आई वुड लाइक टू रिकमेंड कि कम टू आवर स्टोर विद हाउस लिस्ट, मंथली ग्रॉसरी लिस्ट प्रिपेयर्ड, सो दैट हम लोग सर्विस में फेल नहीं हो. बिकॉज many times it happens कि कस्टमर आता है स्टोर पे बट ऑलरेडी मेरे पास कोई बड़ा लिस्ट पैक होते रहता है, एंड I would not like you guys to wait because I personally am in contact with you all. So please come with your lists and you are most welcome. Okay, big time saving on family functions. This is my huge family, and if you want to do big time savings on your family functions, you can always come to our store and get the ingredients for our family functions. Okay, this is a photograph of our dry fruit collection. This is related to a stall. Jashn-e-Azadi में हमने stall लगाया था, and it is most recommended कि instead of ordering online for the first time, you must always visit our store because multiple grades of dry fruits are there. In Kaju, more than 10 varieties. In Anjeer, 3-4 varieties. तो अगर आप माल देख के लेंगे for your first purchase, it is always recommended. Okay. Can you press the space bar? Introduction. Okay, that was a short commercial for our app. My memory hook, अगर आपके मंगल कार्यों के किचन में रौनक लाने के लिए आप संपर्क मेंबर रौनक से कभी भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.